Hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Tidio on Shopify. Tidio is a live chatbot that you can quickly install, and from there you'll be able to upgrade your customer service on your Shopify store. So all you'll need to do once on your Shopify admin page, you're going to go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to tap on Add Apps. Then from there, you're going to tap on Shopify App Store. Once on Shopify App Store, I want you to type in Tidio. And once you have done that, you're going to simply tap on Install. And by the way, you can use it for completely free. As you can see, they have a free plan that will allow you to have live chat conversations with 50 users. And you can see chatbots with up to 100 visitors per month. So you can quickly install it. Once you have started the installation process, you'll be redirected to a page like this. From here, I can add my name. Then you can select the role that best describes you. After doing that, I want to interact with customers via, and you can choose the mode that you would like to interact with customers, whether it is WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, email, or other. You can select whichever one of these options best suits you. So for example, I'm going to be selecting website via live chat. So I'm going to select that option. Then I'm going to tap on next. Then from here, you can select the industry that your company is in. I'm going to select online store. Then what is your company size? So I'm going to select only me. My company gets this number of inquiries per month. Since we're just starting out, I'll say I don't know yet. How was your website built? And I'm going to select Shopify, then tap on next. After you have done that, I want to have Tidio up and running. You can select as soon as possible, within a month, or just playing around. So I'm going to select as soon as possible. I'm currently using, and you can select whichever one of these options you're using, but I'm going to select just getting started. Where did you learn about Tidio? I'm going to say YouTube. Have you used Tidio before? I'm going to say no, then tap on start. Then from here we can select build chatbots. You can also see the option to offer live support. You can also use that, as you can see right here. So you can select whichever one of these options you'd like to use. So we're going to select live support for this example. Then we're going to tap on let's go, or you can see the option I want to discover Tidio on my own. We could tap on that also. After you have tapped on that, you'll give it a few seconds, then you are going to be redirected to your Tidio dashboard. You can see your Tidio dashboard right here. Now the first thing you will need to do, you can tap on complete Tidio setup. After you have done that, you're going to tap on go to Shopify theme editor, as we'll need to enable the app embed. And you are going to see Tidio on the left hand menu option, and you are going to simply tap on save. Once you have tapped on save, you can see a pop up at the bottom right hand corner right here. So you can see this is the Tidio pop up that you are seeing right here. Now we're going to go back into our Tidio panel. Once on the Tidio panel, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now, we can tap on appearance, and you can edit the appearance of the pop-up so you can see how it looks. This is an example of how it looks at the moment. If you would like to change the background color, you can do that. As you can see, there are numerous options you can choose from. So this will help it to better blend in with the theme that you're using. You can also select the positioning of the widget, whether you like it on the left side or the right side. You can also change the label text. So instead of it being chat with us, you could change it to whatever you want. You can also scroll down. You can select widget visibility. So you can see right there, would you like the widget to be displayed on both desktop and mobile? You can select that, or if you like it to be only desktop, you could select only desktop. You can also scroll down, and from here you can edit your offline message. So this is the offline message at the moment. If you would like to edit the text, you could do that. Once you have done all of that, what I want you to do next, you can see right here the pre-chat survey. You can edit your pre-chat survey if you want, and so on. Another thing that I want you to do is by going over to the left-hand menu option, if you would like to enable it in sidebar, you can also do that. You can also edit the chat page by tapping on chat page right here. You could change the background color once more. You can also upload your company logo, and you can scroll down. You can edit the welcome message. At the moment it is set at ask us anything. You could edit that if you want. Once you're finished doing that, you could open the chat page to see how it looks. So we could simply copy and paste it, and we could see how it looks. You can tap on save right here to save the changes. You can also go over to the left hand menu option, and if you would like to set up your Facebook Messenger so you could use it, you could tap on integrate Facebook Messenger. You can also do this for Instagram and WhatsApp, as you can see right there. You can scroll down, and from here you could set your operating hours. So you can edit this by simply toggling it on right there. You could set your operating hours so that customers will know your operating hours. And you can scroll down and you can edit other features. For example, when you are on the paid plan, you'll be able to edit the canned responses. So let me tap on that right there, and you can see them right there. So you can edit your typical responses that you'll give customers, as you can see right there. You can also tap on workflow, and from there you can tap on automatic solve. An automatic solve allows you to solve chat conversations automatically in a defined period. So you could enable this, then you can see time to solve, and you could select 60 minutes, then tap on save. You can also tap on chat assignment, and from there you can assign your chat queries to someone manually, or you could select round robin. So there are quite a few editing options that you can select. And you can also see their feature right here that is called Lirio. And with Lirio, it is an AI that is designed for customer support that answers up to 70% of customers' questions. So all you'll need to do is tap on activate Lirio, then tap on accept. From here, you could enter in your website URL. So you could enter in your Shopify URL right here. After you have done that, you could tap on upload, and from there you could continue the setup of Lirio. Once you have done that, from there you'll be able to fill in some Q&A questions that customers typically ask. So you could fill in some questions that they typically ask and answers. And then from there, the Lirio AI will be able to automatically answer those questions once customers ask it. So if we were to go back into Shopify and then close this, then tap on View Online Store, you will realize that you now see the chatbot in the bottom right hand corner, as you can see right here. Let me go back real quick. You can see it right there. So you can see hi there. If you need any assistance, I'm always here. And from there, they can type in right here the question that they would like to ask, and then they can send off the question. It is as easy as that. Once they have sent off the question, you will be able to go on your Tidio platform, and from there you will be able to answer the question. If you have gone through and set up Lirio AI, once it is a question that customers would typically ask, the Lirio AI would automatically answer it. You can also tap on chatbots right here, and from here you'll be able to view more chatbots, and you'll be able to enable and edit them. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.